Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. Children, in the last class, you learned that how the teeth arrange in the mouth, their function, and types of teeth. Then, function of tongue, about the taste buds, and how many types of taste buds are there and where they are located. Children, today we are going to learn the food pipe or esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine. We already know that we take food through the mouth. Then, with the help of teeth, food break down into small pieces and swallowed. Food with the help of tongue. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Look at the figure, children. Children, you can see the movement of food in the esophagus of alimentary canal. The food pipe runs along the neck and the chest. Food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. Then the food enter into the stomach. The stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like a flattened J. You can see in the figure it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at the one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, HCl, that means hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food, make the food in the stomach acidic, and helps the digestive juices to act. The digestive juices break down the proteins into simpler substances. Children, the next part is the small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Besides, its wall also secretes juices. The liver is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. Children, where is the liver located? The liver is located in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in sac called the gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreas is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. The partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine. When the intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of the food, the carbohydrate get broken into simple sugar such as glucose, fats into fatty acids, and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids. So children, I hope you have learned properly, and this much lesson is enough for today. Children, I hope you have understand the lesson. Now it is time for homework. Children, today's homework is fill in the blanks. First one is the small intestine is highly coiled and is about dash meters long, means 7.5. Second one is liver secretes dash juice, that is bile juice. Third one is bile juice is stored in a sac called the dash gallbladder. Fourth one is bile juice digest dash fats. Fifth one, carbohydrates get broken into simple sugars such as glucose, that is the dash. Sixth one, proteins changes into dash amino acids. Seventh one is fats changes into dash and dash fatty acids and glycerol. So children, along with the answers I have given the fill in the blanks and write neatly in your homework and send it to your group teachers. Okay, bye children.